Hello everyone, I am Mrs. S. Sumati, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Botany in St. Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Ozur. In this video, we are going to see the introduction to taxonomy of angiosperms. What is taxonomy? Naming and classification of organisms. Traditionally based on system developed by Carolus Linnaeus, father of taxonomy. Plant taxonomy. Taxonomy is the science of classifying and identifying plants. Scientific names are necessary because the same common name is used for different plants in different areas of the world. Latin is the language used for scientific classification. Importance of plant taxonomy. To arrange elements or taxa of plants into a more systematic manner so that they can be better understood and could be used easily and more effectively. Second, to arrange data or information and knowledge about plants. Third, to indicate the source and genetic relationship, phylogenetic, ancestry, and origin of plants. Fourth, to indicate the distribution and habitat of plants on earth and their benefits. Plant classification. Plants divided into two major divisions known as spore bearing plants and seed bearing plants. In spore bearing plants consist of ferns, mosses and algae, and in seed bearing plants consist of gymnosperm and angiosperms. And again, angiosperms are classified into two major classes known as monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Classification of angiosperms. In dicotyledonnae, plants have two cotyledons in the embryo, taproot system, stem is profusely branched, reticulate venation, and flowers show tetramerous or pentamerous symmetry. And in monocotyledonnae, plants have one cotyledon in the embryo, adventitious root system, stem is unbranched, parallel venation, and flowers show trimerous symmetry. Taxonomic characteristics. First, morphology. Plant growth habit, leaf arrangement and shape, flower and fruit characteristics. Second, anatomy. Secondary xylem characteristics. Epidermis including trichomes and stomata. Third, palynology. Pollen characteristics including size, shape, aperture and exine sculpture. Taxonomic components. First, classification. Plants are arranged into groups of similar characteristics. The groups are considered as categories or taxa and form the taxonomic system. Second, identification. To identify and derive the name of an organism by referring to an existing classification. Third, nomenclature. To provide a scientific name to an organism. Fourth, description. To describe the characteristics of a taxon, example, a family. Taxonomic hierarchy. Taxonomic hierarchy is the process of arranging various organisms into successive levels of the biological classification, either in a decreasing or an increasing order from kingdom to species and vice versa. Each of these levels of the hierarchy is called a taxonomic category or rank. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Example for taxonomic hierarchy. The common name of the plant is mango and the scientific name is Mangifera indica. Kingdom Plantae, division Embryophyta, Angiospermae, class Dicotyledonnae, order Sapindales, family Anacardiaceae, genus Mangifera, and species Indica. Kingdom is the highest level or rank of the classification. Example, Plantae. Division is the next level of classification that consists of number of classes. Example, Magnoliophyta. Class consists of group of orders which share few similarities. Order includes group of families which show less similarities among them. Family comprises a number of genera which share some similarities among them. Example Asteraceae. Genus consists of multiple species which have similar characters but differ from the species of another genus. Example Helianthus tridax. Species is the lowest of classification and shows the high level of similarities among the organisms. For example, Helianthus annulus and Helianthus tuberosus. These two species differ in their morphology. Both of them are herbs, but Helianthus tuberosus is a perennial herb. Advantages of taxonomic hierarchy. First, grouping of living organisms into different categories on the basis of degrees of diversity exhibited by them is possible. Second, such classification helps one to refer a particular group of plants into appropriate classes. There are two main categories. First, major categories, subdivision, class, order are together called major categories. Second, minor categories, genus, species, variety are called minor categories. In this video, we had seen introduction to classification of angiosperms. Thank you.